क्यों बोली?
बस यार,
नहीं बोलने का।
डन डन।
वाई।
थैंक यू।
अरे अगेन थैंक यू बोली।
ज़रूर
आई
यार।
वांट मोर मोर।
यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो जाओ ना। एक्सक्यूज मी, थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो जाओ ना इधर।
So smile, sir.
बोलो तो ले।
So can you come little bit in the city? Yeah. Smile, sir. Done. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू। या
मत बोला भाई।
Guga bola.
थैंक यू। हेलो।
What did you feel when you received the invite?
Philips has been known for leading the innovation part. Hence, this new product might be really legendary. So, looking forward to it.
What are you expecting from the event tonight?
I'm expecting something that
Gimbal,
might
gimbal.
take up a lot of kitchen shelf space. All-in-one sort of a device which can be handy for multiple things.
Sorry, too much sugar.
ये गिर जाएगी, ये गिर जाएगी देख के।
शीट की बेकार सीन हो गया ना। क्या चाहता है
जगह नहीं।
हेलो हेलो।
थैंक यू।
क्रिस्टल दो फोटो भी हो गए।
Jazz about an air fryer. But then when I came to know more and what I'm seeing in the market, oh man, I think it's something that we all are waiting to know more of.
Are you excited for the event?
Yeah, absolutely. I got a passport so fast. I don't think you get a passport faster.
What are your expectations out of the event?
Oh, I'm looking at something, some tasty food for sure. But more importantly, looking forward to see how
लाल लाल क्या आ रहा है?
later we look back at this moment as a pivotal moment in how
उसको कुछ नहीं होगा। मैं वही सोच रही हूँ वो क्यों आ रहा है?
क्रिस्टल जी बस
How excited are you?
और थोड़ा रुको ना बस।
We're super excited. We can't wait any longer to see what the surprise is all about.
थैंक यू। थैंक यू। एक्सक्यूज मी भाई, थोड़ा पीछे आना भाई। भाई एक मिनट। कैसा भाई? बस ठीक। आपको मंदिर में भी देखा लेकिन आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया। सिद्धि विनायक, अरे बाप रे, उसी सुबह
How was the invite?
बाप रे
What was
बस कर देगा।
I got excited. Them invited by Philips.
Are you excited for the event?
हाँ वैसे का वैसे ही। एक सोलो है, हाँ सोलो है।
And how
ब्रदर ना सोलो। एक आपका सिंगल पीस है ना?
What are your expectation out of this?
लेके आते हैं. It's so exciting. Let's see. We will.
भाई एक मिनट. Thank you. Done. Thank you. Right. Aizaz bhai on your right. Wait.
भाई यहाँ पे
Thank you bhai. Thank you. ये पकड़. मेरा रोल चालू है. वाह.
Which one? मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? बढ़िया?
मैम लुक यार मैम
आंखें अच्छी हैं. Zoom करो. नहीं होगा. Thank you.
मैम यहाँ पे. मैम यहाँ पे हाँ.
Bye. Thanks.
Hi,
शाहरुख बढ़िया ना.
this is like Mr. India. Hello. Thank you. This is so nice. Hello. Wow, I'd love a quick, can I have the mic please? Who has the mic? Can I have that? Okay, so I'm going to quickly run through this. These are, they're really looking like they should be in some very, very cool fashion contest, but let's get your names down. Jivika. Chef Gauri. Harpreet Suri. Of course, who doesn't know Harpreet Suri? I didn't know you were a foodie by the way. Sameer. Sneha Arora. Diksha. My God, are you sisters? You look very similar. Diya Sindhi. Priyanka Ramse. Hi. Hi, Shwetsi. Your name is Shwetsi or your Instagram handle is Shwetsi? So you're just Shwetsi. We're going to call you Shwetsi. Your kids call you Shwetsi? Fine, that works. Karishma Kamra. Hi, I'm Manya Pathak. Hi, Manya. Aviral. Damn, you smile. Of doing this together, curating a table together, but individually, how did it work?
बहुत मज़ेदार था. मैं बहुत नर्वस थी क्योंकि खाने का ज़्यादा शौक है और बनाने का नहीं. And I remember one thing that which stayed with me when chef said खाने का असली स्वाद उसकी patience में है. So slow cooking, enjoy the process. Don't just rush cooking. So yeah, it was.
Wow, and I love that you're wearing a peplum outfit. कितना भी खाओ सब छुप जाता है इसके अंदर. Right?
That's the trick.
Why do you think I'm wearing this? इसके अंदर जितना भी खाओ, it's all chill. What about you guys? Why don't you tell us how the experience has been?
So I'm from Delhi, but born and brought up in Bombay. So
Something
I
I knew that you were from Delhi. Now, why did I know that? Best dressed people from Delhi. यार दिल्ली से कितने लोग हैं?
I think most of us. Yeah.
ये पूरा North India. Look at Rajiv clapping the loudest. What do you mean? मैं भी दिल्ली से ही हूँ भाई. Okay. Basically, अगर foodies की बात हो तो दिल्ली वाले तो होंगे. No, I'm with you. I'm kind of divided. Of course.
I shifted to Delhi for work, and
Okay.
there's a huge difference of food, in Bombay and Delhi. So curating something, what I did was the only thing which Delhi missed is the good pav bhaji and which Bombay has.
Yeah.
So,
Bombay wins for
Of
pav
course,
bhaji.
yes,
But
of course.
can we do a chart as good as Delhi? I don't know. I don't think Bombay does such good chart. What about you guys? Bombay wale log bhi should have their say, na?
Yeah. So
What did you make?
I made the spicy corn chaat. I love corn, and obviously it's healthy too.
Yeah.
So we all are pretty diet conscious.
love it.
And we love it. And also we love the fact that it's spicy and chatpata, and it just suits our personality better.
Okay, lovely. What did you make, for example? And we're coming to you.
So I have 2 young kids, and every morning
You are a young kid yourself.
Yes,
What
I like to
beliefs do
believe
you
so.
have? Okay.
But I will tell you, today chef has brought out the creativity in me. Every morning I face a dilemma कि
आज
आज
टिफिन में क्या
interesting
बनेगा?
क्या बनाऊं इनके लिए. And today I made something very interesting, the mushroom duskel crumpet. I know it sounds amazingly fancy, and it was.
I got chutney sandwiches in my tiffin.
It's all over.
So not cool.
But I'm so glad. Well, I keep trying. I just tried a creative dish.
I just love the bonhomie that is between all the chefs already. And if I may quickly, it's not like I don't want to talk to all of you independently. But, okay, Smiley, what did you make?
We have a common friend, Maria, and we've cooked.
The taste buds, and personally, I actually tasted your corn chart. That was the only thing. And of course, you guys are a treat for the eyes and the soul. I mean, you're such well-rounded खाना. I mean, एक मूवी थी हम आपके हैं कौन, उसमें एक ही क्राइटेरिया था कि वो माँ के साथ बैठ के मटर भी छीले और उनके साथ क्लब भी जाए. आप सब उनमें क्वालिफाई करते हैं, right? All of you, like fully well-rounded. So thank you, and thank you for joining us today. Thank you for putting the table. Please let's have a huge round of applause for our chef squad, and thank you for being here. You can all take your seats, and we look forward to enjoy the evening with you. Can we have someone to come and collect this, please? Yeah. Right. थोड़ी तालियां और बज सकती हैं, guys. They really worked hard for this. They really put there, and they've traveled from Delhi and all over the country to come and put this together. But now it's time for us to put our hands together and invite on stage the genius behind this experience. The awesome chef who has cooked all that amazing khana, जो हाँ आपने अभी टेस्ट किया है थोड़ी देर पहले. Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, our beloved Master Chef.
एक्सपर्टीज अब हर घर में पहुंचेगी. इससे बढ़िया क्या बात हो सकती है ना?
इसीलिए आप वहाँ पे हैं जहाँ पे हैं. मतलब आपके आगे जो सीईओ बड़े बड़े डेजिग्नेशन लगे हुए इसीलिए लगे हुए हैं. आपको खुश रखते हैं.
आप ही से सीखा है सर. खाना बनाना भी और बातें करना भी, दोनों ही.
नहीं, आई थिंक इंडियन खाने की कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी और इंडियन खाने की डिफिकल्टी को इतनी आसानी से हैंडल करने में अगर कोई भी इक्विपमेंट है तो ये है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द रियल विन.
Ladies and gentlemen, they have casually walked behind me as I was going to say exactly what they're doing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Chef Ranveer Brar and the MD and CEO of Versuni India Home Solutions, the amazing Gulbahar Torani. Can we please have a huge round of applause for these amazing men? Congratulations, Gul.
Thank you.
Tell me, Ranveer, is it true then? I mean, I'm finding it a little difficult to believe that this tasting table was actually curated by you and the squad, but actually cooked entirely by the one chef?
Ji. While the menu was curated by me and along with the squad, everything that you've eaten so far and that you're going to eat today has been cooked in a single equipment, and that is the Philips One Chef.
Oh my
Kasam
God.
se.
That is kind of exciting, and it's making me very, very curious as well. So this is a lot of tall praise coming from a chef himself, and I think we need to chat a little bit more about it. Are you game?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we bring in some aasans, please? We need to sit down and do this.
Of course.
Because
सब लोग
we've been
बैठे हैं, हम
standing
खड़े
for a
हैं,
while, और बाकी सब बैठे हुए हैं. But this is actually really. There's so many things I want to know. So why don't you take a seat?
Sure. ये पीछे जाएगा. हाँ. सर ये साथ में फ्री मिलता है क्या, ये आगे पीछे होने वाला?
Excuse me.
ये अच्छा है सर।
कोशिश करेंगे। देखिए आप रोज नए नए आइडिया देते हैं, फिर हम कुछ और सोचने लगते हैं, फिर आप मुझे बोलेंगे कि यार मैंने तो ऐसे ही बोला था और आपने बना डाला।
Okay, so is everyone ready to hear about the fun stories behind this amazing invention? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
So, you know, Gul chef just mentioned that the one chef can actually do almost everything that a real chef can. But what has been the inspiration behind creating something so incredible and giving such a tall promise, very honestly?
So, Mini, I can say just 2 words. Consumer obsession. I think as a team and Versuni as a company, we are really obsessed about consumers. And that obsession drives us to work relentlessly to figure out solutions which are going to help consumers in their day-to-day life. And this whole idea is then given to our innovation and development team that works relentlessly. Okay, we have more than 1,000 patents across the globe, which is the testimonial to our commitment to innovate, to make today and tomorrow better. So that's the absolute bedrock where we innovate everything. So it's consumer obsession. It's all about consumers. We are literally the love and the trust that the brand gets is because of them. And it is our duty that we repay by bringing meaningful innovations to their life.
Yeah, I can see that you take that mandate very seriously, right? Of serving the consumer. But I have to ask Ranveer here because he is quite the purist with food. Like I've heard all his YouTube videos where you're such a purist. Now, when Philips first came to you and they shared the one chef concept with you, what was your honest reaction? And please tell me honestly what you felt. Were you ever sort of skeptical, just like me, that one machine could handle the diversity of Indian cooking like that?
Absolutely. I think the first thing was, see, air frying, and this is, air frying is a concept that is being introduced. And hence an air fryer is a product that introduces that concept. This product is not introducing a new concept. It's saying, I cook what you cook, but all of it, right? So you don't need those 20 equipments to cook. And for me to say, yaar, ye matlab ho sakta hai nahi, right? First of all, what is Indian cuisine, right? It is just many processes that come together at the right time to create the right product. तड़का सही समय पे लगा के नहीं, दाल सही समय पे उबली के नहीं, और north का खाना, south का खाना, and how different they are in terms of complexity, in terms of ingredients, in terms of how we cook them. So it was very, very skeptical, and this has taken a year and a half to get to where it has gotten.
I'm sure.
The year and a half of trials. So 2 years from the idea being born, and a year and a half through the trials.
But I mean, I think another win would be, and this is just my unsolicited opinion, which has no part in the script, is that everyone is so short on space as well. Like you have a steamer, then you have an air fryer, then you have a kadai, then you have a deep fryer. All of that, this guy's just gonna sit there and do everything. We don't need to have so many equipments on your counter. I mean, space is real estate, right, in the kitchen. So, well, ye sab to chef talk hai, but let's try and get some other voices in the room, kyunki aur logon se bhi puchna chahiye unka kya first reaction hai. We can get very excited about it because we know so much about it. But there is Mehul Bhai here, who is the owner of Sanket India Private Limited. Mehul Bhai, how was your first reaction to the Philips One Chef?
This is going to be a game changer. Industry में ये पूरा एक different way of cooking, and I'm sure it will be a very, very hot product. Going to be a hot product. Yeah.
It's going to fly off your shelves, huh?
Absolutely.
Amazing. Well, I meant to that. Sorry.
Yeah, actually, if he's saying it is going to fly off the shelf, I am now even more confident, because if you look at Sanket, it's one of the best consumer destination today in the state of Gujarat. And coming from him, You know?
Chalo, are you ready to make more shelves then to stock
Yes.
it? you just create more shelves.
Mini, you are doing quite a bit of my job.
Isn't
So
it?
really thanks.
I should have asked for. Okay. Then there is Manas Bhai also on that table, who is the director of Lotus Electronics. अगर आपने उनका नाम सुना होगा, Manas Bhai is here. आपको कैसा लगा One Chef? And आप ये बताइए, are you going to carry one of this back home? Because I certainly want one.
Definitely yes. Matlab, it's a fabulous machine. Matlab, looking at it, I don't know matlab, what else would a customer need from this. Matlab, that's a one machine. Solves all the purpose. So I'll be carrying one, and I'll definitely suggest all my customers to have one at their homes as well.
Oh, that's amazing. That's really, देखो, Gul.
And I'm just going to reveal a little bit of secret. He just got married last month.
Oh.
So not only he's going to carry back one home, he's going to cook for his wife for sure.
I think
and
there's-
earn some brownie points. Huh?
Chef Ranveer Brar को पता होगा, nothing like a man who can cook for
Absolutely.
his wife. और क्या चाहिए?
Absolutely.
Can we have a round of applause for congratulating his newly wedded bliss and the wonderful things that he's going to do with this One Chef. चलो गुल, आपका काम तो मैंने कर दिया. आपके customers, आपके chefs, both are totally in love with your product, the One Chef. Why not? But as a consumer, I can safely say that Philips actually. Woo! Let's hear it! Rajiv, you get 2 hugs at the same time. 2 for the price of 1. 1 Delhi ki ladki. All right.
Good evening, everybody. I have one question for Gul. How did you manage to create the gas cylinder shortage just in time for the launch? Just in time for the launch. I mean, that takes some management.
This is
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I was asking him the same thing. Underhand किसको पैसे दिए थे अमेरिका में कि ये perfect timing करा दी.
तो ट्रम्प तो लेता भी अंडरहैंड तो दिया होगा.
मैंने अपनी लाइफ में इतना इम्पोर्टेंट इससे पहले कभी फील नहीं किया. पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं यही सवाल सुन रहा हूँ सिर्फ.
But this is really amazing. People are running to buy inductions now. They just have to run and buy the One Chef. Is it ready to go on in the market, Gul?
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
Beautifully timed. I'm sure you're friends with Trump and you're just not letting us know. Faraz, right?
Let secrets be secret.
अच्छा,
हाँ, मतलब आप सभी कुछ पूछ लोगे तो दिक्कत है नहीं?
Done. Okay, I'm going to start with you, Rajiv. You review some of the most advanced technology in the world. When you saw the One Chef and you understood what it does, what caught your attention first?
So actually बड़ा interesting सवाल है because everybody out here one thing कि हम लोग सब कुछ तो कर नहीं सकते. We don't have the art and skill of creating poetry from food like he does. Okay, we don't have the imagination जैसे Farah has of creating a blockbuster movie from a kitchen, and we don't have the elegance that you have, Mini, कि even when you're boiling water, you look very nice. तो हम लोग को तो struggle करना पड़ता है with food, right?
मतलब 10 on 10 अब गुल के बारे में कुछ बोलो.
Say something about him
डिवाइस
also.
ही उनका है पूरा. And we don't have the resources to talk to Donald Trump.
इनको वन शेफ नहीं मिलेगा सर.
इनको और मुश्किल सवाल मुझसे, तारीफ बाकी सब.
नहीं मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ ना कि भाई हमारे पास we don't have the resources to talk to Donald Trump directly कि मेरी marketing में help कर दो. हम लोग तो struggle करते हैं to even get food on the table without the smoke alarm going off, right? But the real, like you said, what do I do? All my life मैंने क्या किया है? Fastest processor, brightest screen, इसमें ये AI है, इसमें वो smart है. But the real elegance of technology, the real purpose of technology is not to stare at a machine, but for that machine to disappear. वो गायब हो जाए. It should just do the work without any effort, without you learning के ये इसके बाद ये step, फिर ये button, फिर ये process. And that's what I felt when I got this machine, and me and my team have tried it. And the smartness in this makes it disappear. And what does it give back? It gives back time. एक वो currency that we can never get back. It gives us time now to enjoy cooking, to enjoy eating, and to enjoy time with family instead of struggling with it. And it does it very simple. Use हो जाएगा AI या smart, right? Which is the gimmick. 99% of all appliances have a gimmick where AI use कर दो, sales हो जाएंगी ज़्यादा. But this one actually is smart enough because इसमें जो ambi-heat technology है, that is able to sense the kind of food. If you choose which one it is, it can take the temperature up in between while cooking. It will take the temperature down at the right time and then finish it off with the right temperature. The sensors, the fan, the heater, it understands what food there is inside and it is able to take that. Because यही एक चीज़ है. I mean, why is the term burnt food? वो कहाँ से आया? Because we don't understand the temperature and where it's supposed to go at a particular time.
Right.
This understands that. It's able to take it down. It will automatically go on to even keep warm after the whole cooking process is done. So I think इसमें बहुत मतलब I finally feel कि रणवीर and everybody else जिन लोगों ने ये बैठ के आपके साथ गुलेब बनाया है ना, they have really suffered with food. Because जब pain point को आप solve करते हो ना, that is where innovation really shines. So this really brings the magic of cooking back, and it's the smartness of the technology where it senses the food and tells you कि ये अब यहाँ से हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, temperature बढ़ रहा है, कम हो रहा है, and gives you that perfect food without the effort.
Wow, that's a very tall order. That and the fact that Rajiv has given it his own stamp is something. But chef, are you saying then that this minimizes all the human faults that can happen if you're too distracted while cooking, or you don't get something on time, or you don't switch something off on time, stirring? ये मतलब it's taking out a little bit of human error as well, right?
So हाँ, so पहले मैं ambient technology का conversation extend करता हूँ. I think जो सबसे बड़ा solve ये equipment कर रहा है वो ये कर रहा है कि ambient technology एक ideal heat है Indian खाने को cook करने के लिए. I think that's very important to understand. Normally we get this equipment that sort of gets developed somewhere else, gets imported, और अभी भी 3 महीने में मार्केट में बहुत सारे आ जाएंगे जो कहीं बाहर बने होंगे और यहाँ पे आके फेंक दिए जाएंगे. वो हमारे खाने के लिए नहीं बने.
Right.
And they can't cook Indian food because they are made with a certain heat to come from a certain part, which is not ideal for Indian cooking.
Right.
So even after 6 months, this is for everybody in the industry, our customers are sitting here. Even after 6 months, when the market gets flooded with cheaper copies, always remember that ambient technology, this is always going to be the equipment that's going to be the most ideal for Indian cooking at home.
Wow.
And I think that is one takeaway that I want everybody to take back. हमारा जो खाना है ना वो ideally अंगीठी में या it used to be on coal or it used to be on wood, right? So the heat was spread out. It was never from one point. Unlike Italian food or Chinese food, this way we try to recreate that. We've tried to recreate a heat ecosystem that's ideal for Indian cooking. That's one in terms of ambient टेक्नोलॉजी को एक्सटेंड करने का. अब बताइए दूसरा सवाल क्या था?
नहीं, मेरा सवाल तो बहुत पहले जवाब दे दिया था आपने, लेकिन आप दूसरी चीज भी बोल सकते हैं. I want you to hold on to that thought because I'm going to come back and ask you another question. But Farah, let's move the perspective onto fabulous cooks like you. I know people think that you only go to other people to check out other people and what they're cooking, but I for a fact know that you are a hands-on cook. What makes you most excited about this?
Mini, I may be one of the few people, barring the squad, who's non-stop talking over there.
Non-stop, y'all are talking.
Hey, too, y'all should get a room. Both of y'all. Non-stop, y'all are talking. Anyway, so I'm one of the few people who have actually used this One Chef. I've done a whole integration, my YouTube vlog with Chef Ranveer. And I was blown. दिलीप को तो समझ में नहीं आया, उसको लगा उसकी नौकरी गई. क्योंकि अब ये
That was going to be my next question.
So it was amazing. At one time, Ranveer was making sambar down and steaming idli on top.
Oh.
मतलब literally बिरयानी हमने आधे घंटे में बना दी उसमें.
आपका फेमस यखनी पुलाव बन सकता है कि नहीं इसमें?
इसमें बन तो सकता है.
बन सकता है ना?
Yes, yes.
बनाया हम लोगों ने, इन्होंने बोला बस आलू नहीं है, बाकी सब ठीक है.
But it was amazing. But मेरे घर में इसके 3-4 लगेंगे.
सुन लीजिए गुल, 3-4 से कम मत भेजना.
मैं सब नोट करते चला.
You're looking extremely handsome today. 4 One Chef भेज देना शाम को.
मुझे अब तो देना ही पड़ेगा यार. नहीं
अब तो मतलब this is too much. But ये honestly काफी simple काम लग रहा है, पर मुझे लगता है कि हम बाकी लोगों से भी पूछ लेते हैं. We have Mr. Rahul Pratap Singh right here. He's no Rahul Pratap. Rahul is right here. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Too many lights in my face. You got very worried, na, that you have suddenly turned into Rahul Pratap Singh. But Rahul, for those who don't know, is a senior director of Flipkart. So Rahul, I'd like to ask you, did you find it simple to understand, or is it seeming very complicated and rocket science?
No, this is very, very simple. I think the basic story is going to be a no-brainer for most of the consumers in India. We can relate to this product. I have a young kid, and we know how critical such type of products become. The cooking time is different for me and my wife versus kid. Kid sleeps at 7, so something has to be cooked at 6. This is one device that will be able to solve a lot of such cases. The other problem, or one of the complaints that consumers have, is all the other air fryers are probably not suited for all the foods. This is suited for Indian food, this is suited for rice, this is suited for dal, which is far more Indian and probably North India friendly.
Yeah, that's... Oh my God, get him to write your advertising campaign.
You're going to go mad when you try this.
Is it? I can't wait because anyway, I'm also multi-cuisine myself.
ये try to believe it वाली चीज़ है.
हाँ?
You have to try to believe it.
चलो वो जो हम कश्मीर से गुच्ची पुलाव लाए थे, गुच्ची लाए थे, उसका गुच्ची पुलाव बनाएंगे उसमें first. Farah, I'm going to ask you this now, and I don't mean it because ha he and आप दिलीप को ये समझ आएगा कि नहीं, but honestly a lot of us have help at home who cook our regular dal, sabzi, masala. Is it possible, in your opinion, to also get them on board? And do you think, can you see them using this
most important
to save time, energy,
100%. So I think उनके scanner पे YouTube videos are there, in which Chef Ranveer himself teaches you how to use the machine. तो हिंदी में है ना वो chef?
हाँ. Oh, that's very good.
हाँ, तो I think
my cook is in love with Ranveer. He's a guy.
Most guys are in love with Ranveer.
Pradeep. Oh, yeah, he loves.
तो I think that it's very important कि मैं दिलीप को पहले सिखाऊं, क्योंकि मैं रोज तो नहीं जाके खाना बना सकती हूँ, और उसकी बैंड बजने से पहले he needs to know what is the chicken, what is, और ये गर्म भी रहता है इसमें खाना. That is the most important thing. Once you cook it, it stays warm till you serve it.
Oh wow!
You don't have to keep again microwave में डालो. So I find that
That's also loss of a lot of nutritional calories.
And also खाना भी बहुत सूख जाता है, and also definitely I think easy enough because we tried it. और दिलीप को एक lesson दे दूँगी तो आ जाएगा उसको.
That's big words, yeah. But honestly, Gul, hearing Farah say that makes me wonder, what was that one insight that actually led to the creation of One Chef? Like, who is it designed for? We've talked to you about, help can use it, we can use it, Rajiv has told us about the technology, but who did you design it for?
I think two trends. One, kitchen is becoming more integral to the entire home. So now we have open kitchens, right? So if you look at the device, it's beautiful. So the whole idea was that you create something which is aesthetically beautiful, which can go to your home seamlessly without creating any disruption. So that was one. That's important. And the second trend was being compact and multitasking. Okay. So, when we were visualizing this, so when Ranveer and I were talking, we said, बहुत बड़ा appliance बनेगा क्योंकि इतनी सारी चीजें करनी है.
Even I'd imagined it to be way
हमारे
bigger
सारे
than it is.
conversation car rides में होते हैं.
Correct. And whenever he gets an idea or I have a question, Ranveer हम सोच तो रहे हैं लेकिन ये बहुत बड़ा बने. And then the trend is that you need beautiful compact appliances for your home. So we try to keep it aesthetically beautiful and then compact. And at the same time, as I shared with you, it can do a lot of Indian recipes.
Okay.
The whole, I would say, burning desire within us was, how can we do more of an Indian recipes in an electrical cooking method? Because every time we were struggling, like we do part of it, and then we need to go back to the traditional cooking method, and then it doesn't solve the purpose. So there was a burning desire saying, let's create something which is aesthetically beautiful, compact, but it can multitask and do everything. Okay, from a shahi paneer to a biryani to a momo to an idli and so on and so on and so on.
I'm sorry, it sounds like a very bad analogy, but I'm also dressed in black and gold theme colors, and I'm also very kitchen to club. So I'm finding a lot of kinship between the machine and me. Look at it.
It wasn't coordinated, is it?
No, but it just so happened.
Rose gold and black.
Yeah, surprise. All right, but this is really an interesting insight कि consumers के लिए ये product blessing जैसे लगता है, of course, but customers के लिए भी we have to find out whether it's going to be a equally a blessing or not. And we have See, now I can see you, so I can tell you that you're Mr. Ram. Mr. Ram is the AVP and Business Head of Small Appliances, Reliance Retail, which means that a lot of machines are going to be sold here. But honestly, I wanted to ask you कि ये जो Philips OneChef जो आप देख रहे हैं अभी सामने, उसमें आपके इसको देख के रिलायंस की आंखों में ऐसे डॉलर साइंस आए हैं कि नहीं? मतलब आपको ऐसे लगता है कि it's gonna do well?
अभी तो इंडक्शन भी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है.
हाँ, वो भी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है. So this is going to be a race.
Yeah, I think we as a retailer, we are close to the consumer, right? And of course, Indian consumer is much more than what they are getting today. And this is one such solution, okay? I think it is going to solve a lot of problems. But a businessman inside me is telling me what is going to happen to the air fryer, steam oven, microwave. Is it going to eat away everyone's sale? Okay. But I think this is going to be a absolute marvel product. And coming from Philips, I know this brand for a couple of decades now, and they have been doing this for many decades, bringing a product from a consumer backwards. So I think it's going to be a game changer for this small domestic appliances industry. And wish you all the best to Philips OneChef.
And I wish you all kaching, lots of sales going on. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you for your perspective on this. But now let's go back to the food perspective, because that's what it's all about. Ranveer, when you were making, when you were in the car ride discussing and, figuring out the various stages of this device, how deeply were you involved personally? Like, what was the biggest challenge that you thought this machine faced?
So I think first I was very deeply involved. वहाँ पे एक लड़का खड़ा है पीछे, ईशान, खून चूस लिया उसने मेरा.
There, Ishan.
Which means he did a good job.
Very bad.
Right from the thickness of the pan to the handle to everything else, we've gone through at least 6 iterations. Our studio is full of 20 such machines from different stages.
Wow.
So it's
Farah,
not
you only asked for 4.
So
but those are not working. Those were the
from
prototype
onwards, I think we went
मेरे को
through.
rejected वाला नहीं भेजा.